Hello there. Right, hopefully this is recording. Yes, it is. Right, great. So today I'm just going to be showing you how to make a GIF image. It's really easily, but you can do it with images, well, like pictures, and you can do it with text. But this tutorial is going to be with text, and I'm going to be using Photoshop CS5. Yep, CS5. So first you want to whack up Photoshop, just get it all started up, and you want to open your image. So let me find it. Mine is just this boring simple one. Now I always have this on the bottom, to be honest. I don't know why, but I just do, because I do a lot of work with GIF images. But if you don't have that open, you just want to hit Window, then you want to hit Animation. So yeah, you just want to do that. Then what you're going to want to do is well, let me think. Have I got one of that already? No, I haven't. Right, I'm gonna go. Let me find out what size this is. Canvas size. Pixels. 8959. 8959. 8959. 8959. Oh sugar. Right, hold on. Canvas size 8959. Proceed. Right, so that's the same as that. I'm just gonna delete background. Oh, I can't do it because it's locked. Right, and then I'm just gonna do the same thing as I did before. Joe dot. I'm going to delete the background now, and when you get these grey and white little dot things, that means the image is transparent. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into blending options, and I've already made a style, and it just puts a bit of drop shadow on it. Let me just change this drop shadow, put it to 0. So as you can see, it's changing it marginally. Well, not marginally. Puts it to the other side. There we go. Okay, then I'm just going to want to move it to the right place. Oh, shoot. Oh, I know what I need to do. If it doesn't move perfectly like you want to, you just want to convert to smart object, and then you can move it freely. Or maybe you can't. Ooh, facepalm. Hold on. What am I doing? Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. I have never done this before. Bear with. Right. Oh no, that's a copy. Ooh, facepalm. Right, delete the copy. Delete layer. Yes. Right, okay. What is it? Oh, I pressed the wrong one. It was right, rasterize layer. Then you can move it free. Oh wow. Wow, what are you doing? I don't know what's up with this. Edit. Undo. Step backward. Right. Shoot. I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? I know what I need to do. I need to get on text. I'm sorry. Facepalm, I'm failing, I know. Oh, I've rasterized it now. Oh my gosh. Right. Oh, Control Z. Right, there we go. Sorry, I know. I'm just failing right now. Right, where does it need to be? It needs to be there. Oh my gosh. If there was an easy way to do this, I'm sorry, but I don't know of it as of yet. Shoot. There we go. Right, spot on. So, now what you want to do is you want to get on your first image, and get on your second one actually, and you want to press this little thing down here. I know it's quite small, but on your animation frames, you want to press this thing here, and you want to press copy frame. Then you want to go to your original one, you want to press it again, and you want to press paste frame. Paste after selection, and then there you go. Now 0 seconds will make it move like fast, like super properly, like if you want it to look like a video but as a GIF. But I'm not going to do it like that. I'm going to do it as a 0.1 delay, so I actually tell what's happening like that. And that's pretty much really it. And just for saving, you just want to go to File, Save for Web and Devices. You want to make sure colours is on 256, and you just want to make sure it's as a GIF, otherwise it won't work properly. And then just save it to your dedicated area. I've got one there. And then if you were to, and then if you were to open it in your browser, then it would navigate like this. Now, that's a bit, I don't think I did mine like that, to be honest. I know, how far, that's strange, that's moving a bit. Oh yeah, no, there you go. Right, I'll show you what mine was on the forum. Just go here, edit your detail, no, that's not what I want to do. Go to my profile, scroll it down, about me, and there you go. That's basically it. It's really, really easy. It's a really easy thing to do, and once you know what you're doing, it's really good. So I hope this video helped you. And if you have any questions about it, just drop me an instant message, private message, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, this has been Joe, Fudge, whatever you want to call me. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.